How to Change Messenger Username Easy Guide 2026. Hello friends. In today's video, I will show you how to change Messenger username very easily. If you want to change your old username and set a new unique username, then watch the video till the end. Attention C, follow my all step. Everything is correct. Tap the Save or Done button. That's it. Now your new Messenger username is set. Hope the video was useful to you. If you liked the video, give it a like. Share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Thank you all.